Girl, you find my lie, I dey bad on you. From the first day I see you, I lie, I know say I dey love you. Go tell your mama say I go marry you. I be the one that number one nigga for the place we go cherish you. I have been around the world, yeah. I couldn't find my baby.
Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you guys how I will make a wig using 360 frontal, using hair from Afro hair on AliExpress, and I will also be showing you guys how I will fix her cornrows, and you will also see the finished look of the wig. I will be using their Brazilian straight hair, 24 inches and 360 of 20 inches. I wanted the 360 to be 24 inches, but on their website they were only having 20 inches of 360. Then I decided to choose the 20 inches. The hair is very soft, and I can't wait to use this hair to make a wig, and I can't wait to show you guys step by step how I will make the wig. To start, you guys know how I love to use dome cap to make my wigs. I will first of all go ahead and sew around the 360 frontal, and I will sew the 360 round, secure, and I will cut off the excess thread. The second part of the lace to the dome cap is optional. You don't need to do this, but I will just go ahead and also sew the second side. I will upload another video next week whereby I will not be second lace I am sewing right now. I will upload the video, and I will not sew the lace video for beginners. And if I am done, I will just start to sew in the bundles. I will be doing flip over method. Sew to this side, cross it over to the second side. So, like I will be doing flip over method till I am done, because I don't usually love to pieces my weft. I'm done sewing, I will just secure the thread and the cut. I will go ahead and cut off the excess dome cap like this. Cut off the excess lace. She will not be using the wig to do ponytail. She will like to have the wig as a middle part. And if you want to use the wig to do ponytail, I would advise you to pre-pluck the 360 frontal. And then this is the finished look of the wig. I created the middle part because she wants to have a middle part. What I will do first is to cornrow her natural hair, because she will be using the wig to do middle part, and I will do side by side middle part or back. Let me allow you guys to enjoy this video, and I will talk to you guys later. If I am done cornrowing her natural hair, I will apply herbal hair oil on her scalp, and I will just use the herbal hair oil to moisturize her scalp. And then because she's a beginner and this is her first wig, I will just allow her to place the wig on her head by herself. I sewed in an elastic band because she will be using the wig to do middle part. And I sewed in an elastic band. I did show when I sewed in an elastic band. I have a video of how to sew in an elastic band. I will put the video in the description box below. I will just use Eco Styling gel to lay down hair to cover the excess lace at the front, and I did applied any foundation to the part. This is the finished look of the wig. The hair is very soft and silky, not bad odor. The silkiness of this hair is bomb.com, and then the 24 inches is perfect. I was actually worried about the 360 frontal I used, because the 316 is shorter than the bundles, but it actually came out so pretty. Don't forget that this hair is from Afro Hair on AliExpress, and the details of this hair will be in the description box below. I used their Brazilian straight hair, 24 inches and 360 frontal of 20 inches. If you enjoyed watching this video, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
Lights out, lying in